Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review of a wig that I did receive for my personal review, and I'm just showing you what my hair looks like right now. And the wig that I got, it is a V-part bob wig. It's 12 inches, it's straight, it's in the color natural color. So I'm just showing you what it looks like up close. It does have combs and clips and adjustable straps on here so it can be secure. Just showing you what it looks like up close to my hair. It is a little more brown than my hair is. Alright, so right here I'm just showing you what it looks like fresh out the package on the wig stand. I am going to wet it just a little bit so I can clip some of the ends off. I don't really like how the bob goes down at an angle. I kind of like a one level type of bob, so I'm just cutting some of the ends off of the front where it's a little longer. All right, now that I'm done cutting the ends, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it so I can get it back dry again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put a few curls in the wig. I'm going to be using this wireless automatic hair curler to curl the wig, and then I'm also use it on the leave out of my own hair. Now, before I begin to install the wig, I just want to show you also some of the few things that it did come with. All right, so here is my hair. It's clean. I've just had my bonnet on for maybe about 2 days, so I haven't really done anything to it. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle it with my wide tooth comb. I'm more of a side part girl, but since the wig is in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle. And I'm also part 2 little parts off to the side because this is going to be my leave out right here. So instead of braiding my hair down like I should have, I took the easy, quick way out. I just went ahead and put my hair into a ponytail and pinned it up in the back. But if you braid your hair down, it would definitely last much longer. So as you can see, the curls turned out really pretty on this wig. And I'm going to go ahead and clip my leave out up. And I'm going to unclip the clips and get ready to install this unit. Alright, so on this part, I'm not going to speed it up or edit too much of it out. I'm just basically just going to show you guys from start to finish how I install this unit and how I get my hair to blend off into it. Right here, I'm just making sure that the wig is secure in the back with the back comb as well. You also want to make sure it's secure on both sides of the wig. Right here, you're going to see that my hair did come out a little bit because I don't have it braided down, which is a good reason to braid it down. But I'm basically just going to tuck that right back in. All right, now I'm just making sure to secure the other side of the wig as well. All right, now that I have my wig secure, I'm going to go ahead and deal with my leave out. I'm actually going to flat iron it first so it can have more of a smoother appearance. Then after I'm done flat ironing my hair, I'm going to go in with the curling wand and curl my hair. This curl actually didn't turn out the way I wanted, so I'm actually going to go ahead and recurl it. Alright, now that I'm done curling my hair as well as the wig, I'm just basically going to finger comb the curls out to give it a more soft, more feminine look. I'm just going to finger comb, and that also is going to help my hair to blend with the wig hair as well. There were still a few little longer pieces in the front that I just went ahead and took care of with a pair of scissors. So I just went ahead and cut those off to give it more of a shorter look without the little pointed ends. So let me know what you guys think. This is pretty much the finished look right here. I'll make sure to leave links down in the description box as well as coupon codes if you're interested. But I think I did a pretty good job considering the color difference and the texture difference. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.